Hello everyone on my YouTube channel, W.D.T High Performance. Thank you for tuning to my channel, everyone. So today is a awesome day. Today I just test fitted my Vicris Dodge Challenger Hellcat Demon front bumper. I tell you one thing, it looks sexy as hell. I love it. I'm test fitting it because I want to get it painted, and it's always best to test fit it. So I'm gonna have to let you know, when you do install this, you do got to take off this over here. You gotta take this off and take off these brackets. It will not fit up on there. That's good. So yeah. So also, if you got the original headlights on your Challenger, I mean, it will work, but you would have to do some trimming on the inside of here. You can go to my buddy's YouTube channel, TIRADO Racing. He did it. He did some trimming on his. So yeah, check his channel out. I'll put the link down below for you all to check it out. So yeah, so I installed my Hellcat headlights, you know, just regular headlights for the 2015 and up. So the reason why you see the bulb thing right in there, I am waiting for my parts to come in for the bracket, not the bracket, the wire harness kit, the conversion kit. The one I got was the wrong one. So the company say, hey, we'll fix it for you. So they're sending it out to me. I appreciate them. I'll put the link down to their YouTube channel and their company. So this looks really sweet. I love it. Fits pretty nice. And I will be putting the sight flares on the side right there. Everything else, so I don't have to worry about this stupid punch holes up here. So those will be gone. I'll cut those away. And other ones will just be covered up. So yeah. Please tell me what you guys think. TIRADO Racing. Brian, thank you very much, man. I appreciate you helping me make my final decision to change the front bumper and my side flares. God bless you, brother. God bless you, man. So, yes. Oh, by the way, if you guys like Mopar, I mean lots of Mopar stuff, old trucks and stuff, go to my buddy YouTube channel, just Mopar Joe. Go to his YouTube channel. You're gonna love it. He has a nice Dodge Ram. He has a I think a 1970 something Dodge Challenger. I don't know if it's a 70 or a 71. It has a 2005 5.7 Hemi engine in it. Oh my god, sounds like a beast. Go check out his YouTube channel. You'll love it too. And he did an awesome job painting a truck. If I want anything painted, I'll go to him. Go to his YouTube channel. I will put it down in the link for everyone too to go to. Just Mopar Joe. Go check it out. Anyway, y'all take care and peace and God bless. Bye.